Hi everyone, so hope you're doing well. Today your boy is back with another Singaporean recipe. So today I'll be making a fried bee hoon. So alright, let's get started right now. So first thing you would like to do is to soak your bee hoon, or in other words it's also rice vermicelli, for 15 to 20 minutes in hot water. Next step is to soak your Chinese mushrooms in the hot water. Alright, next in line will definitely be two ingredients that are very common in the Chinese cuisine. So I'll be using 2 cloves of garlic and 1 shallot. So alright, let's chop it up. Press the garlic like that, cut off the root, and then start peeling it. Do the same for the other garlic as well. So okay, for the next step, I'll just be slicing it. Okay, so when the garlic is done, just transfer it into a plate or bowl. Put the garlic in the bowl. Next is the shallots. So okay, cut off the root and the stem of the shallots as well. Cut it into half and start peeling it. So okay, peel it. Do the same for the other side. So I'm gonna slice this. So when it's done, just transfer it into a bowl together with the garlic, because I'm gonna be stir frying the shallots and the garlic together. So right, next will be definitely the carrots. So okay, give the carrots a quick wash. Cut off the top and the bottom. So okay, put your knife aside and start peeling it. So okay, when you're done with one of the carrot, do the same for the other carrot as well. So okay, for this, I'm gonna chop the carrot up and halve this as well. So okay, when it's done, just get all the carrots together and chop it up. So when you're done with one of the carrot, just do it the same for the other carrot as well. Okay, next will be the chili. And just chop it up. So I'm using Thai chilies. Just transfer it into a bowl. Okay, so next when you're done with it, is the coriander. I'm going to use the coriander as a garnish as well. For me, 2 stalks will just be enough. It will be used, just the leaves. And put this into a bowl together with the chili. And then next on the list will be Beansprouts. 75 grams of Beansprouts, give it a quick wash. Okay, next on the list will be the fish cakes. So okay, slice it up. Okay, so when it's done, just transfer it into a bowl as well. So just do it all one shot. So okay, next on the list will be cabbage. So give your cabbage a quick wash, pat dry it. So I'm gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces. So okay, after cutting it up, just transfer it into a plate. So okay, next on the list will be the eggs. I'll be using these eggs as a garnish as well. So alright, just crack the egg into a bowl. Alright, season with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of soy sauce. Just give it a quick bit. When it's mixed well together, just put it aside as well. So okay, put your chopping board back again. So drain off the water off the mushrooms. Okay, so just cut the mushrooms into half. Alright, when you're done, we just set it aside. So next, don't soak your bee hoon for too long. It's time to drain off the water now as well. So okay, after draining it off, just set it aside. The next step, I'm going to be frying the eggs right now. So take your stove, take a frying pan, and on the heat. So okay, add in around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So take your eggs, give it a quick beat again. Hold it, swirl the oil around the pan. So okay, when it's hot enough, just add in the eggs. So get ready a spatula now. Just give it a quick check. Alright, so it's brown on the other side. Just hold the eggs and flip it. It's also time to split it up into pieces. Split it up into rectangular pieces. So okay, after splitting the eggs up, just set it aside right now. So okay, get another pan. So on the heat again. So adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the pan is heated up, just adding the shallots and the garlic. Okay, so when the aroma of the shallots and the garlic is released, it's time to add in the carrot now. Okay, adding the carrots. So okay, after adding the carrots, this carrot will take a little while to cook, same as the cabbage. So it's time to add in the sauce ingredients right now. Okay, adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Adding 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Adding a pinch of pepper and salt. So later you have enough time to adjust the seasoning as well. So okay, bring it to a simmer, lower the heat, and then it's time to add in the cabbage as well. So after you add in the cabbage, it's time to add in around 100 milliliters of water. And then I will be covering the cabbage and cooking it till it's soft. So cover with a lid and increase the heat to medium. This process will take around 2 minutes or so. So cook till the cabbage is soft. So okay, when the water is almost dried up, now it's time to add in the bean sprouts and the rest of the ingredients. So add in the mushrooms, the fish cakes, the bean sprouts. After giving it a quick stir, just cover it with the lid again. So cook it till the liquid is almost dry up, and then I'll add in the bee hoon. Okay, so now most of the liquid has almost dried up. So it's time to add in the noodles. Take the bee hoon and add it all in. So be very gentle with it, not to break up the noodles. So flip it lightly. Okay, give a taste to see whether the sauce is good enough. Okay, adjust it to the seasoning you want. I'm adding in around 2 pinches of pepper and a little bit of soy sauce. Just give it a quick stir before I give it a cover again to cook for around 30 seconds or so. So okay, just cover it back again. Okay, so now the noodles is ready. Just give it a quick stir again, a quick taste before you serve the dish. That's good. So when it's done, just off the heat and set the stove aside. So okay, get a plate you want to serve it in. Get a chopstick. Get the noodles. And just serve the noodles in. After the noodle is served, just adding all the garnishes that you need to add. Next, adding the eggs. Okay, after that, take the coriander and the chili and sprinkle it all around. So okay, the last garnish I'm going to put is fried shallot. So okay, this is how the dish will look like in the end. It is quick, simple, delicious, and definitely healthy. And alright, just subscribe to my channel on the bottom, and I'll show you more videos in the future. Bye bye!